All right, YouTube fam, what's going on? Welcome back to another stream. Another stream. Here we are again, guys. A new month, a new quarter. Ready to take some absolute bangers. We crushed the streams in March. We had some phenomenal trades on stream. Like the win rate was absolutely incredible. Maybe took like two or three losses during the whole entire month of March on stream. We had some absolute banging positions, but yeah, new month, new quarter, new week, new goals, and ready to absolutely crush it with you guys. So good to have you guys on the stream. I'll let a few more people join. I've just jumped on slightly early, but then we'll get cracking in a second. Kane, what's going on? Did a 25k challenge yesterday and passed my phase 1 on my FTMO challenge. Kane, amazing work, man. Very, very good work. I personally didn't take any trades yesterday. So that is very, very good work. Very, very good work. Terry, what's going on, man? Good to have you here again. Gold had an absolute pump yesterday. Huge, huge move on gold. Banger of a move. So I didn't trade Asia today because there wasn't much point with the amount of push that gold had. I don't want to try and predict too much in the Asian session. So I'm just jumping on the charts now. So we'll run down all analysis and we will go over it together. So we're gonna have a good day today. Make that bread. And yes, you see what's cracking. I'll let a few more people join. Why have I got an ant on my fucking screen? Yeah, more people are coming in. Cool. Yeah, how's everyone's week been so far? How have you guys found the market so far? Obviously, it's Easter this week, so I don't know if I'm going to be streaming on Friday. I probably won't, just because there may be a lack of volume with all the the bank holidays, it being Easter. But if I see some volume in Asia on Friday, then I might just message you guys that we're still going to jump on. So we'll see what the day brings. But we're here today, trading today, so let's make some good profits today. Rohan, hey, how's it going, man? Antonio, good to have you back on the stream, man. Kane, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Great to have you guys here. I'll give it a couple more minutes, let a few more people join, and then we will get going. How's Goldie looking? Yeah, gold's ranging, but gold needs to come and retrace some of that big move yesterday. Excuse me. So I'm pretty excited about that. Could get some good positions today. Traded a little bit of US yesterday, but I didn't take anything. Got magic keys, help my trading. Yeah, okay, nice work, man. Magic keys are good. Magic keys are very, very good. I bought magic keys, but I couldn't get it set up on my Mac. But they're just releasing it on Mac, so I'm just gonna wait for that. But yeah, they look sweet. I've got mine downstairs, so hopefully I can just have that one installed on Mac. But yeah, let's see what today brings. EJ on the high time frame is just ranging, but it's having some nice intraday moves, so maybe we can snipe EJ as well today. Had some phenomenal moves on EJ last month. Had some absolutely incredible moves. 20 people in here. I'll let a few more join. I'll share my screen about 10 past. I'll give it a little bit more time. Just want to give time for everyone to join, obviously, because yeah, so like the London session is an hour early here in Australia now, so a few of the Oz guys jump in at about 5 p.m. So some of the guys will be jumping on early. I'm going to get Zoom popped up in a minute. Alright, give me 2 secs, guys. I'm going to go grab another drink and then we will get going. Remember, guys, drop a little like for the stream as well. We hit 15 likes. I'll start sharing my screen and we'll start making that bank. Alright, 2 secs. Oh, All right. Let's do it, guys. 18 likes. Look at that. 2 more likes hit 20 likes, but it's all good. We'll take 18 likes. All right, let me let the Zoom guys in, and I will start sharing my screen. I'll start sharing my screen, start making that bank. All right, let me let everyone in. Who's joining? The boys are here. All right, let me start sharing my screen. George is joining. Let me see where the others are. Boom. All right, let's do it. There we go. Put you guys over here.
Yeah, oh god.
Good morning, Rami. Good to have you here. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone joining now. But yeah, gold has had an absolute pump yesterday. Huge move off the back of that US dollar news. So I'm wondering today if we're going to come and retrace some of this move. We're starting to throw these little wicks to highs. Could get some little stop hunts.
Probably in between 50 to 100.
Let me see. How's that daily? Yeah, daily's pumping. Daily smashed above that 2000 level, which is huge, absolutely massive for gold. So we,
for a pullback.
yeah, I think so, man. I think we get some nice pullbacks today. Even if we like, I don't want to predict like a reversal, like pullback just yet, because we are still pushing, but we are starting to throw some nice wicks to highs. So maybe gold will come and liquidate some highs, and then we could grab a little pullback. But yeah, that move yesterday was absolutely huge, massive. How's the lower time frame looking? Asia's obviously done absolutely nothing. So I didn't watch Asia at all, just because of that big of a move. We have to range. So we just grabbed this little triple top here. See, we just wicked it out there, but it looks like we're coming back up to retest. So kind of got a weird little triangle formation going on there. So could get a breakout soon. Let's have a look at EJ 4 hourly is a bit doji, a bit ranging, stocked in these levels. Let me just clean these up a bit. Let me clean these up. Let me get rid of these. Michael, how's it going, man? But yeah, how is that daily on EJ? I don't think the daily did much yesterday. Nah, doji. What about GJ? How's GJ looking? My main focus is probably going to be gold today, but let me just see how these are looking. Oh, look at that. That's pretty nice on GJ. Wicked out that previous high. Closed back below 165. Very, very nice for GJ. Maybe we can get some downside momentum today. Let me just get the chat up here. Good morning, Jack. What's going on, man? What's going on? Look at that. Yeah, it was a solid wick out of the previous highs there on GJ yesterday, and then straight back down. That's very, very nice. Now, what have we done in Asia? Not a lot. No, not a lot in Asia. Did we liquidate any highs? Nah, not really. Kind of now come with the lows. GJ needs a little bit more. Got this little support here. Little level, nothing crazy. Kind of got this little resistance here. Looks pretty nice to me. Stuck within this little level. But yeah, my main focus is going to be gold. I'd like gold to... Ah, fuck. Like gold to stop hunt a little bit more, and I want to look for some shorts.
Hey.
How's it going, man?
Hi.
What's going on?
Not much, eh? Not much.
Chilling. I was just, yeah, chilling, man. I was just running over some positions. I was just having a quick look at GJ as well. Ended up having a nice push and then came straight back down again. Yeah, GJ is kind of trapped in these little levels. Let me see how this looks in the hourly. Yeah, kind of just stuck in between these two little levels for now. But yesterday's close was very, very nice. Very, very nice. Grabbing this high and closing back below 165, which is a huge level for GJ. 165 is a big level. It'll fake out there. So I'm interested to see if we can get some downside. How did last week close? Yeah, last week was wicked the highs, respecting that resistance. Now we just wicked out all the highs. I would like it to potentially come and maybe liquidate a little bit more highs and retrace a little bit more first before going short, ideally. But we shall see. Gold's still pushing up for now. Let me just unlock this. What was the code? Cool. Antonio, what's magic keys? It's just a little risk management tool, like a little tool to help you manage your risk, enter positions to move stops to break even, etc. It's going to be a good month. Yeah, it's going to be a good month, Michael. It's going to be a good month. March was an absolutely incredible month. Oh, this laptop's going to die. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Give me 2 secs. Let me just get the charger. There we go. Did you guys on Zoom take many positions yesterday, like in London, or anyone taking anything in the US? I personally didn't take anything. Let me see. Yeah, gold is just grabbing these highs.
Pretty sure Mark got a nice trade on EU.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we can have them highs a little bit more. It's a bit messy. So we've got this little resistance here on gold, and we kind of got this little support here as well. So I'd want it to kind of break out of these levels. I mean, if we get a nice strong break, I'll go long, but it's still respecting resistance for now. Yeah, I agree. Okay, we just create another little double top there as well. So if we can come back down to these levels, we can get longs up into this double top, that'd be nice. Because I think we need to grab that before I push back down. The on-screen for me is helping a lot. Yeah, on-screen was nice. I like having the physical version just to like press the actual buttons. But yeah, the on-screen one's good too. But yeah, after such a huge move on gold, it is expected that it is going to do this for a while. So we haven't done anything in Asia at all, which is completely expected. I'm not going to jump in shorts straight away because this momentum could easily just keep pushing up a little bit more. But if we get nice breakouts, then I'll definitely consider it. Excuse me. Physical will be better and quicker, easier muscle memory. Yeah, Rami, definitely. I think it's nice to just have the physical one, so you can literally press the buttons and it's right in front of you. You don't have to like keep flicking back and scrolling and pressing it. You can just press the buttons on the screen. Let's have a look at EJ. EJ, yeah, very similar to GJ, just kind of respecting the support. Got this little support here, like this. Little fake out there. Support, support, support. Resistance. And then you got this little resistance there. Look at that. Grabbed them highs pretty nicely. Whereas GJ didn't, but EJ did, so that's quite nice. EJ didn't grab the daily highs, but EJ did as well, which is also nice. Grab these lows, so we don't need to grab that. Morning, Steve. How's it going, man? Took a quick scalp trade last night on gold. Ended in profit. W trade. Good shit, Antonio. Good shit, man. Good shit. I didn't execute anything yesterday. Yeah, we're going to have some patience today. Patience, for sure. Oh, yeah, let me see. I just saw you. So there's a Discord message. Oh, yeah, that was a banger. I didn't even see that. That was a very nice trade. It's going to be a waiting game today. It's going to be a long waiting game. Need to see if we get some volume. EJ, what else have we got? What else can we look at? EU. What are the pairs we got going on here? Let's have a look at oil. Oil's had a crazy gap up. We still haven't come down to filling that gap on oil yet, which is huge. But you can see even oil is doing naut. Broke out straight back into the range. But we'll give it some time. We're in no rush. But gold shorts may be nice if we can grab this and then do like this. I'd only short it here once we break this level. Antonio, do you ever trade silver? I do not. I have traded it before quite a while ago. I haven't traded it in a long time though. I haven't traded it in a long time. Let's have a look at it. And that's pretty average still. Yeah, I had a look at that as well before. The reason I don't really trade silver is because it's very similar to gold. It's had big pushes up yesterday. I personally have had better success trading gold. Look at that, it's a big range. But yeah, solid push. Hourly's just ranging as well. Maybe you can come back down and fulfill some of these levels. Come retest some levels before going higher. Could be nice for silver. But I don't trade it too much anymore. Alright, let's see if gold's going to grab these highs. Did you try E8? No, not yet, man. Not yet. It'll be down the line in a few months. If I do get the chance to try it, it'll be in a few months. And it'll take at least a month or two as well to get a full understanding. Pete, no, it could range. It could range for a while, man. It could range for the entire day, honestly. After such a huge pump yesterday, it could just, range around here. But the thing is, on gold, sometimes the range could be worthwhile trading. If you look at this on higher time frame, all of this is one big range. But from these lows to these highs, it's like 300 pips. So even if we can just get some shorts to maybe even just to retrace 38.2% of this move, is still talking 100 pips. So it can range. But yeah, yesterday's close was incredibly strong. We haven't really created a bottom wick on this daily just yet. I kind of created a little one actually. Coming to grab yesterday's high as well. But yeah, for me, next target on gold in terms of like a swing move is these highs all the way up here in the weekly. I think gold's coming to grab these highs. If this week closes above 2,000, this will be the first time since all the way back in August 2020. And then the next week we broke back below, so we faked out of it. So we haven't actually held above 2,000 on gold for longer than a couple of days. Look at this, we're up having a push up now. We're spiking out these highs. No bottom wick on this current 15. So if we can grab these highs, we could look for something. But it's looking like, depending on this 30-minute close, it's looking like we may have to wait for the London Open. If this 30-minute doesn't do anything, we will have to wait for London Open. EJ is pushing down nicely. EJ having a nice push. Where can you long into? See, there's nowhere to even long into. There's no structure to even long into apart from all the way back here. So if you were to long, you'd probably be looking for longs like up into here somewhere, which would be what, 150 pepperonis. But I don't really want to long because I don't really want to buy the highs. A few people behind me don't want to make back. Blake, it's all good, man. All good. Yeah, hopefully London gives us some volume today. Gold just broke out. Not yet. It's not closed yet. But even still, I'm personally not that interested in longs because we're buying the highs, and there's no like clear levels for me to want to buy into. Like there's no price action here to give me clean levels to buy into. Unless we get like a really obvious long that like completely screams out at me, only then will I consider taking it. But I'm not very comfortable jumping in longs. Kane buy high, sell low. Absolutely, that's the key. Like if we get a strong 15, a nice 30, then if we can pull back down and grab these lows, and the risk reward makes sense even to play up into wherever this high is going to be, then I would consider that, because then you get some structure and you could long it for like 20 pips up into wherever this high is going to top out at. So I would look to play that, but I wouldn't be buying it now with like expectation to just keep running. So if we get a nice close here, break out of this, retest down here, and then I'll buy up into the high of this current 30-minute. Even if we keep pushing up, I'll buy into wherever this 30-minute closes. But let's see how it's going to close. This is nice though. This is that level where I think a lot of retail traders were trying to see this resistance right here, trying to short this. All retail traders trying to short here, stops just above this little level of resistance, now getting stopped out. So this is what we want to see. How many more minutes? We've got 2 more 5 minutes until we get that 30 close. So let's just observe the 30-minute a little bit more.
Hey, would you always wait for like what's your like highest time frame that you wait for, like close, like the thing what happened this afternoon, for example, where I'm only looking at the 5-minute?
Yeah.
So like 15-minute, is that like the time frame you look for closes, or?
Yeah, 15 or 30. 15 or 30 closures are nice. Because yeah, even like although I'm like executing off the 5-minute, I'm not actually trading the 5-minute. I'm trading the 5-minute off like the 30 and 15-minute bias.
Yeah, that's good to know. Yeah.
The 5 minutes purely for execution, like it's the most unconfirmed time frame you could possibly trade. So if you wait for like 5-minute closures, it will just throw you off a lot.
Yeah.
I prefer 15 and 30 closures. So like in this example here, if we got a nice 15, because this next 15 is going to be the next 30 as well. So this 15 is going to be important because we're going to get the 15-minute close and then we're going to get the 30 close, so we can see what both of them are doing. like if you're in the last 15 of the 30, that's like a really good indication that the next 30 minutes probably going to follow whatever that's just done. That's why I'm pretty keen on this one. After mad moves, market's always sus to me. Yeah, Ash, I agree, man. I agree. That's why I'm not very comfortable longing gold right at the highs. I have to wait for it to close, and I if it's worthwhile, I'll consider just longing up into this high for maybe 25 pips. But the risk to reward has to make sense. We zoom out, and we're not really doing too much. I'd rather we close back below and stop hunting these highs, and we can short it down to retrace some of this move. But we got it like this, even just to come retrace just down into here. At some point, we're going to retrace a lot of this. It's just whether or not we do it now or we do it in the US session. But I am more comfortable looking for shorts on gold. See, look at this. Look at that. Look at that closing back below. This could be interesting here on gold. The 5 minute closes back below this level. I would consider shorts. Excuse me. But yeah, no, it's a good question, Luke, because like I've taken loads of trades before on the 5 minute, like when I first started intraday trading, and like I would be so zoomed in on the 5 minute that you forget that like the 30 minute and the 15 are just doing something completely different. Like it's very easy just to get, like so zoned in on this, and then we could be like looking for longs right now, but then you zoom out and then you see what the reality of what we're actually doing. I just use the 5 minute just to stack up against what I'm looking at with my overall levels.
Yeah. So let's say like the 30 minutes closes just above the wicks that have been going on.
Mm-hmm.
Like, would you then still consider shorts, or is that then you're gonna wait for the next 30 or 15 minute to close to consider shorts? Like, is that like something you take into account?
Yeah, pretty much. Like in this example, how many pips is this? I don't really want to trade it in this range, but yeah. Like, say if this 5 minute closes back below this and the 30 minute leaves a nice wick, I'd probably still want a nice 30 minute close, only because of what we've done here. And that we are still like, as soon as we come into like these levels, which is support, we could just then bounce higher. So if you wait for a 30 close of this level, then the next level after that is to come all the way back down here. So that would be kind of a more confirmed move. It kind of depends what the price action to the left is like. If it's clean, you got nice big moves like this, then amazing, you can short into that. But you kind of have to wait for it to clear like all of this.
Yeah, because that trade that you remember the trade that Peter took the other day, like the 5 minute, and it was like 1 5 minute bear candle, and that was like a short that went all the way down. I don't know if you remember that one.
I'm not sure.
You were late on the charts, or like you weren't on the charts yet. That was like on a 5 minute.
Maybe I missed it.
And it was only one bear candle that kind of closed underneath the levels.
Yeah.
So that's like a different situation then.
Well, sometimes you can get that, because I was running over one of these with John Luca on Monday. I'll show you this one that we took on EJ, and you can trade like a bearish like 5 minute close if it's the last 5 minute of like the 15 or 30, because that's the one that's the most important, because that's the one that's going to decide how that 30 is either going to leave a big wick or a nice strong body. I don't know why can't I zoom back further than this? Where's my chart?
Just the close of the 30 is now. I don't know if you want to look at that instead for now.
Yeah, let's have a look. Why's my chart frozen? I'm not even using. Come on, gold. I could be missing out on bank. What's going on? What the fuck?
So it's closed inside.
Has it? Okay.
Yeah.
Why is it? My internet's not laggy for you guys, is it?
No, it's not doing anything.
Yeah, everything else is completely fine, but this is... Oh. Let me try and refresh. There we go. What was that about? Okay, let's see. Right, let's go back to the 5. it's not enough for me to want to short. It's not enough for me to want to long either. Like, although I've got my level here, you can kind of see that like all of this is pretty much one big level where I'd want like a nice 30 close below this. Maybe I'd consider it. But a nice 5-minute example of what you were just talking about is I found a perfect situation of that, of a trade that we took in March. And it was the last 5 minute of the 30. That one. Where is it? Not that one. This one. It's similar. It's similar. It's not the same, but this trade that we took in March here on EJ Sells, this was based off a 30-minute, like a break and closing below, but I was trading it just on the 5-minute.
În partea dreaptă contuieți un cu Vasile Zido.
Okay, let's not do that. This was a nice example of where we were running over this on Monday, where the 30 was like closing bullish, breaking above this level. And I was basically trading the last 5 minute of the 30, anticipating that was going to close bearish, which was this candle that we shorted right here. So I shorted the last 5 minute candle of the 30 only because the current 30 minute, without even needing to look at it, I already know that it's closing nice and bearish, and if we break below this level, it's going to have a big drive. So it's kind of
that anticipation you're talking about.
Yeah, it's super important to see what 5 minute candle you are in the 15 or 30. Typically, like the first 5 minute of the 15 will probably be the false move, and then as you get closer to the end of the close, watching the last 5 minute close of the 15 is super important. And that's something that I kind of say a lot, like, oh, this is the last close of the 15 and 30, so this is the candle that means the most.
Yeah, right. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I never really thought about it like this. I just did the analysis on like the higher time frames, lower, and then just looked at 5 minute. Like I only look at 5 minute.
Yeah, it's like trading just the 5 minute is great, but like the only way that I can comfortably just trade the 5 minute is because I'm like picturing what the 15 and 30 minutes going to look like without even having to even go on it, if that makes sense.
Yeah, because you know what time it is, and
yeah,
know, like this is like the first 5 minutes of the 15 and like the 30 minutes now. That makes sense. Yeah.
Like say this is the first 5, and this is bearish. This is the first 5 of the 15. Then this next 5 of the 15 is bearish, and then this next 5 of the 15, the last one, is bullish. Then without even needing to go on it, and I can already understand that the 15 is going to be leaving a big wick to then potentially go higher. Yeah. Whereas you could see this as a 5 minute push down and maybe a retest and trying to go short without understanding that this last 5 minutes of the 15 was strong, so that 15 is going to be leaving a nice wick respecting support. It's
experience probably too, right?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say, man. It's something that comes with time. Like there's nothing wrong with, flicking back and just kind of seeing how it's looking. Eventually you'll get to a point where it's like you don't even need to click on it, you can already see how they're looking. Like this example, that was the last 5 minutes of 15 which closed bearish, so we already know the 15 is going to be leaving that nice top wick, which is exactly what we did. But like there's nothing wrong with going back and forth, but yeah, you just want to make sure that you are keeping like the 30 and 15 minute picture in mind.
Cool.
Because like I say, the 5 minute is great for execution, but it's a shitty time frame for confirmation.
Yeah.
But it's easy to see me just trading the 5 minute. I think I'm only trading the 5 minute. I'm executing off the 5 minute, but I'm actually trading like the 15 and 30.
Yeah, obviously, because you can like what you see is different than what I would see at this stage,
Yeah, that's what I was saying before. Like, even though, like, it's good that you're watching Asia, and like, even if you don't take anything, the fact that you're putting in chart time, and you'll start to see these things over and over again, and it'll just literally become like second nature.
Yeah.
I think chart time is so important. Even if like you get towards the end of Asian session, and you're like, oh fuck's sake, well, it was slow and I didn't take any moves, but actually it's good because you're watching the markets and you're putting in that chart time and you're seeing how candles are forming, you're seeing price take out highs or lows before having real move. And the more you see these things, the more you will be able to take them without even needing to properly look at it and like think about it too much, if that makes sense.
Yeah. You look at 5 minutes as well when you were swing trading?
No, that was too low for me. The minimum I would go if I was swing trading is maybe 30, sometimes 15, but it's not necessary. I definitely wouldn't go to 5. But that's...
So when did you start looking at the 5 minute?
Midway through COVID times, I kind of adapted a lot. The markets were changed massively during COVID, so I had to adapt quite a lot. Whereas prior to doing what I'm doing now, I was mainly swing trading the bigger moves and maybe trading for like 2 hours a day max, setting alerts, letting it do its thing, but taking bigger positions. Like if I was, for whatever reason trying to catch this move on gold, I would have maybe been looking at like, say if I entered like here and stops like down here looking for this big play up, and I wouldn't care about going into 30 pip drawdown because I'm playing a much bigger move. Whereas for intraday trading, I'm trying to watch it down here and I'm watching what's going on right here, so I can potentially look to just do something like this instead.
Yeah.
But swing trading will always be like my overall bread and butter. I think like as the markets get nicer and we start getting more cleaner moves, I'll definitely run swings alongside like intradays as well. So it's kind of like diversifying within trading as well, like having swings running and intradaying within that is kind of how I started to day trade as well. Like if I was running for whatever reason like big swings here on gold, I could be running these big longs, but I could be intraday trading these little pullbacks as well, which will not only help my P&L, but they'll also help me psychologically of seeing big normal pullbacks in swing positions, seeing your position go from 500 pips to 200 pips to 1,000 pips, rather than just watching that fluctuate so much and it screws with your psychology. I just kind of started to intraday little pullbacks down, take little partials, and then just ride the rest of the move back up.
Yeah.
Because don't get me wrong, swing trading freedom side is amazing, but there's also the whole psychological side of seeing your position go from running, like I say, 500 pips in profit to back to 300 to then be able to go to 700. Like we just have to have the normal pullbacks. But yeah, swing trading was how I started. Go on. We haven't seen your face around here in ages.
No, I know. I've been away. I've been like doing shit.
Without us?
No.
Do you not care about us anymore?
I do. You're on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
Ah.
What was that? How much chart time?
No.
Sorry, Matt, go on.
No, that's all right.
Someone just asked, how much chart time would you say you put in daily? I usually backtest and stay on the charts of the entire London session. Antonio, like it all depends on how much you can. Like, I mean, more chart time is better. For me in the beginning, I was spending, I don't know, maybe like 4 hours plus a day, either watching the charts or doing backtesting or refining. But like, putting in chart time doesn't as well just mean sitting here watching shit like this. Like, if there's times where you can see the markets arranging, just go for a backtesting session and, pick a month, pick a pair, and put in the chart time that side as well. But as many as possible. As many as possible.
Question.
Answer.
Have you got your magic keys working?
No.
You're missing out.
You got it.
No, Aaron, honestly, it's the best thing, like, for trading.
I'm not using your code. I'm not signing up to this shit.
It's so good. No, literally, you can get 10% off today.
You got the on-screen version?
Yeah.
I can't get it on Mac, Lewis. I can't. I'll tried.
It's so good. It's so good.
When did the Mac one come out? It's only just like literally just come out, hasn't it?
Yeah, end of last month.
Do I have to buy a whole new Magic Keys, or can I use
week.
the same fucking one? But the thing is, I can't run MT4 on my Mac without using Parallels.
Really?
Yeah, because it for some reason every time I open MT4 on my Mac it crashes, so I have to run it through Parallels. So I'm basically running Windows on my Mac.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, so that's why that's the only reason it's such a ball ache to set up. But I bought just a really cheap Windows PC here, and I'm gonna try and keep them completely separate. So I'm gonna have like
Does
MT4
the
here.
physical version come with the on-screen?
If it does, I haven't got it set up. I don't think so. Well,
Okay.
surely it would. That'd be a bit stupid otherwise. Maybe I got it in an email, like a code.
It's so good for scalping, Aaron.
Is it?
It's insane. You just push one button, like stop loss is already there, it enters you straight away.
Yeah, it's so good.
There's no need like rushing on your phone to like quickly find out what price to put. And
Oh, I literally never trade from my phone anymore. Like never. I can't go back to it. I don't know how we used to do it.
no chance.
Literally, it's the worst. It's the worst. I literally will not trade from my phone anymore.
Yeah.
But I would like to master mindset before being. Can I ask an off-topic? How do you manage taxes whilst being a trader? I mean, I'm in the UK and it's 40%. Trying to understand what others do. Valentina, it'd be different for every single place. I'm here in Australia, so it's completely different. But the best way for you to do it will be to set it up as a business. Set it up as a business. Write off taxes, or escape to Dubai and never pay taxes.
You pay taxes in Australia or Jersey?
Australia.
Oh, okay.
Put your phone down. Filming me. I do all my taxes in Australia. I don't do any offshore, I swear.
Yeah.
Can you class it as spread betting? Yeah, there's a way to do it in the UK, as spread betting as well. It's another way to do it.
Hey, that setup earlier that was taken out the previous highs from like a couple hours ago. Would that have been like something you would have looked at?
In here?
Oh yeah. Just left.
This one?
Left. Yeah, that one.
Nah, not only because of like the fact that we'd be coming like straight into this, and because that was a pretty strong, like that was a solid 15-minute close, and then I wouldn't really want to trade against that in a range. Like when it's closed that strong, I kind of want a nice like something like this, like that I would trade because it closed bullish and then flipped bearish and closed back below the level, had a big push down. That I would trade. This one I would only trade if it did like that, closed back below this level, and I could be short it down into these levels.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But only because that 15 was really strong and then just kind of crept down. Whose bold head is that?
Hey,
Here he is.
it's a soul ball there, let me tell you.
Sunman on the old bald head.
Oh yeah, happening, yeah. It was pulsating me last night.
Oh man, I guess you wouldn't think to put sun cream on your head.
I didn't think it was nice, don't get me wrong, but it was really bad. I was like, nah, it'll be alright. There was a nice breeze in my head, you know, it was nice. It just felt cool, you know. I thought I was abroad somewhere. The amount of bunkers I got in, I thought I was on a beach at one point.
Good shit. Good shit.
How good's the first shower after a shave?
Oh, it's so smooth, eh? It just feels like, I know, it's like everyone needs to do it. You need to jump on board.
No. I'll be in Turkey before then.
What's going on then, guys?
Chilling, man, chilling. We're just watching. Gold's a little bit of a range. I didn't take any trades. Did you take anything yesterday?
No, I didn't. No,
Jack.
There's nothing confirmed for me in the London session. Yes, or Jack.
No, there wasn't. Gold had a massive move, but it was off the back of news, so obviously London didn't really do a whole lot. Where are we? Yep.
No,
That was.
Again, there's a couple. Yeah, there's a nice. I'd like it to go down that channel.
Where was it? That was London yesterday.
Yeah, there was nothing. There was like
No.
I wrote up so many tools like long, short, and everything like that. It's just, but there was no confirmation for me to enter them. Like there was still like there's no bottom wick, for example, in some of them, or there was there's no liquidity grab, or it was just like it was definitely a day for the retailers yesterday.
It was. Lewis, do you take anything?
I did actually.
What did you take?
It was actually a great. I scalped the evening section.
Nice.
Oh, US.
Came out with 10 points, so.
It's not bad. 10 points. 10 points.
Yeah, I take 10 points every day.
All day.
Every day.
Has NAS been moving nicely recently or not?
Well, it's starting to range now. It's starting to like. I think the longs are over for a bit.
We grabbed some highs. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we grabbed some nice highs there.
I think it's time for a nice little pullback then. See what happens.
Yeah. That weekly was pretty fat though.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a little gap up there as well?
S&P still like ranging like the middle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I'm hoping this London Open gives us some volume. Because I got some itchy fingers. I got some money to make.
Same.
I haven't opened a trade this week.
I've opened 2. And that's it.
I've probably done 40.
You know, it's interesting you said that actually, because I was in all of my trades up, right? I think it was like 51 trades last month.
Yeah.
It's like Lewis does that in a day.
50, what's that? It's like an
If it works, it works.
average of just like what, about almost 2 a day
Mm-hmm.
on average.
That's really, yeah.
So yeah, some days we can take like, I've taken like 5 trades in a day before, and sometimes I'll literally take none. Like yesterday I literally didn't take anything.
No, I didn't see anything. I really didn't. And I was like, you know, what's the point of risking something?
Yeah, that's kind of what I felt. I did on Monday. I took a little short on GJ on Monday. A very small risk. Where is it now? Was it on GJ or was it on EJ? I think it was GJ. I took like a 5 pip loss just to kind of get a feel for the markets. But that was one of them positions where it's like I kind of knew I shouldn't have taken that trade, and now I'm like, whenever I feel like I'm wanting to take a trade just for the sake of taking a trade, I do absolutely nothing, because there are times where you take the loss and you kick yourself because you know you shouldn't have taken that fucking trade in the first place.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%.
They're the worst ones.
Yeah, it's tough, right? You know, you think you got it, but then boom, you're like, what an absolute div.
March was a great month for us though. So to start off April a little bit quiet is okay.
It's not okay. I want to buy a palace in Thailand. I was hoping he's I'd open my funds.
I'll help you out. So if you send me $100 worth of Bitcoin, I'll flip it to $1 million overnight. Sir? Sir?
That did actually sound, sir, thank you, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Sounds like a good deal, that, to be honest.
You literally you can't win. It's a win-win guaranteed. 100 to a mil in a week.
Did you just say you can't win? And it's
No, you can't
win-win?
lose. You can't lose. You can't lose. You're just putting words in my mouth.
Yes, man, coffee.
Hey, we got. Let me see. Where is it? Countdown. We got 14 days till Thailand. Oh.
I am counting.
14 days, 7 hours, 8 minutes and 30 seconds, 29 seconds.
I got 13 hours and 20 minutes as well. So 14 days, 13 hours, 25 minutes.
Good shit, good shit.
And as soon as I get on that plane, I'll be knocking on the captain's door. Foot down, please drive. Extra $10.
Nah, you're getting straight on the cans.
I was thinking about that. Then the long flight, and then I'll be steaming going into Bangkok, and I'm like, where am I going? You're going to ring me. Where are you? I'm just pity back.
Do you fly through the night?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's 10 past. What's it? Quarter past? 10 past, quarter past 9 at night.
Yeah, nice. Try and like if you can, it would be hard with work to just like start to like adjust your sleep a little bit to something similar to Thailand times, like a couple of days before you come. Just saves you getting fucked on jet lag.
I know that might be easy actually because my manager thought you'd help me out. I don't know. He put me on nights that week.
Oh, nice. That actually work out pretty well.
You guys are always talking about Thailand.
Oh, Lewis.
We can talk about Portugal if you want.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
We could talk about England win the World Cup.
No, dear Lord, where's the mid?
All right, keep talking about Thailand. What's Goldie doing?
If gold can break below 2020,
Yeah,
I would look for shorts.
me too. We got huge potential to retrace.
Yeah, look at that bad boy.
Look at that, so much. Even just even if we just come down and just feel like just this little bit, be a good move. Look at that, respecting that resistance. Just grab them highs one more time. I just kind of, I want to wait for a closure below this level. It's got more, like even just a short down into here, is like 40 pips. Down into here is like 60.
Then move your stop loss to like 20 pips and leave the bad boy run.
Absolutely. So we'll take a short here, and we'll have stops all the way above here, and we'll probably look to secure about here.
Dear Lord. Or have something like that and go into 45 pip drawdown. Then when it passes 10 pips, go to break even and think that it's going to the moon, and then it'll come down and just stab you. Good at that.
Oh yeah, you had a nice. Where was that push on gold that you almost took yesterday? Because that was a nice one. It was here.
Yeah, but it just.
Was it there? It was on the 5 minute.
It wasn't a fight.
There she is.
There, that's it. Yeah, right
That.
there. I had
This one?
No, it.
This one?
2 candles before it.
This
Let
one?
me get the. Hang on. Right
Was it this one?
there.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it didn't like create that that see there like it just didn't.
Unless you already had the order in like here for whatever reason, it just pretty much took off. But then again, it still hit like what 30 pips and then came straight back down.
Yeah, I had the order right there. It was off that candle
Above that
And
one.
See that candle there.
Yeah.
It like broke, and I was like, oh, do you know what? I'll just cancel it. so I cancelled it, and then it just
Moon.
because he entered here, and I was like,
Oh yeah, I've had that.
no,
You tell him.
I will tell him.
You only do executing and position calculator in MT4 or something else? Yeah, I do MT4. Make your life easier. Keep it all on the same platform. Especially for intrading and scalping, you need to have your lot sizes all figured out beforehand. Anthony, in any positions? No, not yet, man. I'm looking for gold shorts. I'm just waiting for it to close below some levels before we can short this mofo. Had a nice fake out of this level, grabbed these highs really, really well. A nice push back down. Anyone jumping on the charts this morning? Any retail traders getting a bit trigger happy? Trying to short this. Stops above the previous high. Boom, stopped out, now pushing back down. But I'm personally going to wait for a closure below this level because anywhere in here it starts to get pretty messy for me. So I'm going to wait for that. We've got the London Open in 3 minutes as well. See if we can get some volume. And I'll be looking for gold to come and retrace some of this move. But if I get the short, like once we break this level, and even if we come down into like this support 60 pips, I'll take it. That's good enough for me. And maybe I'll leave a runner to come and retrace some of this move. But we're overall bullish. We could even just continue the momentum a little bit higher, push up more, and then come and retrace some of this. But for now, we're just stuck between these two little levels. And these two levels are kind of no trade ranges for me. I'm not going to take anything in any of these levels. Kind of bring it up like this. Like that is pretty nice. Get that fake out. So we get something like this. A nice closure back below. Quick little retest. And then once you break that low, you can take 30 pips back down. Angel, how's it going, man? Good to have you back on the stream. Yeah, I'm having a look at GJ as well. But again, GJ's still pretty messy. Like GJ on the hourlies just kind of stuck within this little range as well. I'm more interested in gold. When you say you leave a runner, what does that mean? Like you enter two positions and close one? No, I'll just enter one. So say if I open one lot, I'll close like 0.8 and I'll leave a 0.2 to run. So you open one position, but then you close one, and then you leave another little runner.
Yeah, why do people like open up multiple trades if you can just take partials? Do you know why people do that? You know how they like get a bunch of different entries?
I mean, you can like, so say if you trade like, it's not really my style, but say if you trade like one lot and you're looking for like a bigger play down and you got a stop loss somewhere up here, you could take like a 0.5 here and then maybe take another 0.5 here and kind of like...
You see people like kind of spamming the...
Oh yeah, that's just... Yeah, I've seen people, they stack up like 5+ positions like all like this. To me, that's just fucking stupid.
Yeah.
That's just aggressive trading. There's no logical.
I don't realize that you can do it different too. I didn't even realize that for a while.
Yeah, all that. I think like a lot of people who've been trading for a while that do that. It's more so fucking just adding into position every time it goes into drawdown, keeping the overall. Like even though the bias doesn't change, if they get pullbacks, they'll just keep like stacking into it. I've done it before, and you just take big fat losses. It's just aggressive revenge trading.
Right.
But yeah, like you see people do it and you see them just stacking up positions. It's just fucking wild to me. It makes no sense. It's not my style. Or maybe if you're in like a big swing trade And if you have, like I say, like if you're trying to short gold for whatever reason, there's nothing wrong with distributing your position. Like you don't have to just go to full position at this one point. You could enter half here, enter another little half here, maybe enter another half here now as well, and then you can get a nice big push. Yeah, Blake, literally that, man.
Yeah, right.
It's a lot of account flipping bullshit.
Yeah, their whole screen is like blue or green or whatever.
Yeah, just stacked up with loads of fucking positions. It's so unnecessary. Alright, we're getting that London volume now. I know a guy who uses Robotrader sticks like 10 to 15 orders in the same spot. Yeah, that's fucking crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I mean, if it's calculated, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's not my style. Right, give us some nice volume gold. Look at that. Had a push back up, retest this little level. A little miniature kind of intraday left shoulder head, right shoulder here. But I still want it to break this neckline down here. Let me see. The people who do the barcoding are crazy, like an order placed every 15 minutes. Yeah, it's fucking wild. It's aggressive as hell. Yo, yo. How's it going, man?
So, has it been on since 1? It's that's different time, isn't it?
Yeah, all the clock changes and shit. So I jump on like 4 PM Brisbane time. So yeah, 1 o'clock your time, which is 7 AM London.
5 Sydney time.
Yes. Yeah.
Sydney time's the same as Brisbane time now.
Is it? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, our daylight savings was April 2nd.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so 4 o'clock Sydney time. You get the London Open at right at 5 PM. They're just now.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, perfect timing. I rushed back in.
Good man. On that grind. Yeah, Anthony, I do. We do this every single day. My chart settings. What settings do you want to see? As in like color wise? You can see color wise. I have a gradient on like this. And then I just have these colors. Well, this blue's gone now apparently, but why is that blue gone? Weird. Look at that 5-minute pushing back up on gold. 15. Look at that bullish, bearish, bullish. We gotta wait for more on gold. Has GJ just liquidated these lows? Euro yen. Let's have a look at GJ. No, GJ hasn't, but EJ pretty much has, which is quite interesting. Might come and grab it a little bit more. I mean, we did just wick it out,
Brother.
but still, I would need a nice strong 15 close to one along.
Extension cord? The same extension cord? Yeah. Thank you.
Thailand struggles. These TikTok traders open like 10 positions in one trade and they all get closed out. It's insane. Oh man, TikTok traders are the worst traders. Fucking hell.
Now just buy every time it bounces off the 200 EMA.
Simple. Hey, that's a nice 5-minute closure on gold. I'm gonna jump in it just yet, but that was a nice close. Pushing. We are pushing. Yeah, nice. The gold having a pretty strong push, but it's the first 5 minutes of the London, so I'm not jumping in just yet. If we break the highs again, we'll probably go higher on gold. That was a nice that 5 minute just grabbed these little lows and closed all the way back above this level, breaking this level, closing above. So if this was going to be a liquidity grab to push lower, we would have already done it by now. So the fact that we're breaking back above shows me this gold bullish momentum isn't done just yet. Not done just yet. Pushing. Gold is pushing. EJ coming back down. Let's see if we can get a nice close here for a little retest on gold. Nice close, little retest, and then potential. Now that 5 minutes closed the way that it has, this could be nice. This could be nice. Look at that. YouTube fam, feel free to ask over any trading questions whilst we wait. I'm not doing anything on gold till we get a closure or a little pullback. This is the first move of the London Open. 5 minutes closed nice above this level, but I'm still not that confident in jumping in long just yet. Anyone watching anything else other than gold? Anyone looking for any other snipes?
I only look at the yen pairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, EJ's kind of worked it out, but
You just took the highs. It's a nice play. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, took the highs nicely. How's that 15 minute looking? Oh, fucking dead, man. So gross. You got them little lows there. Highs you got. Kind of got them highs. Grab that one. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how we react on there. Oh yeah, look at that push on Goldie. Antonio, yeah, I'll still be zooming when I'm in Thailand. I'll still be trading the London session because that's the whole point. It's a trading retreat, so we're gonna be trading live with the boys. I'm still trade on Zoom as well. Still smash London session.
Since it's a business trip, is that a tax write-off?
Absolutely. Business only, sir. Pure business. I know a trader in America who has dogs, and he claims them off tax as emotional support. Fucking genius. The amount of things you can do is fucking crazy. Yeah, Sammy's getting that. I'm going to use Sammy as emotional support now.
You should.
I'm going
It's
to.
so good.
Yeah. Do you do it?
Yeah.
How do you get
them
your...
on planes? It gets them on boats.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck you always have your dog on planes. Scammers.
And he needs me.
Okay, go on pushing. Timo challenge, feeling confident on my own trade as well as doing a free trial. Yeah, Antonio, more than welcome to join anytime, man. Anytime. But yeah, we'll still be zooming in Thailand. I'll be trading a little bit less. I won't be trading US, so I'll just be trading like, 2 to 3 hours of London, and then we'll be going about our day. But yeah, we'll still be crushing London like this. Absolutely. Signals hosted by Alad in Thailand.
I hope so, pal.
I think I'm sick though.
I'm listening to all of you. I heard you mention like lady boys about 10 times.
There it is. Oh, we've got 3 more minutes to the 15 close on Goldie. Which pair do you mostly trade? Gold, GJ, and EJ for intraday trading. That's it. If I'm looking at swings, I'll scan through all of these, but for intraday trading, it's just gold, GJ, and EJ. And not EJ and GJ together, just whichever one shape it up nicer, which in March was EJ. We had some incredible positions on EJ in March. But gold's my fave. Gold is my favorite because with gold, it's like even with this little move up on gold, it's 30 pips. The pip moves are very, very nice. But that's why a lot of people struggle on gold, but it's the reason we love gold. But I've definitely lost a lot of money on gold in my time, that's for sure.
More than Canadian.
Never.
It'd be nice if the 5 minute open, the 5 minute after the 5 minute open would have given us a nice little entry, a pullback.
This one?
Yeah, if that would have pulled back, the stop loss would have been a bit bigger, wouldn't it?
Yeah, unless you're just instantly manual executed, but it's too aggressive. 20 pip stop loss for a 13 pip target. Shit risk reward.
No, thank you.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
You buy yourself it who's going long now, or do you think it's just a fake move for London?
No, I think this is nice. If this was going to be a liquidity grab here, we would have pushed down already, but the fact that we've come all the way back up makes me think we're going to break this high and break higher. So I'm kind of like, even if we close like this, any pullbacks, I want a long gold.
It'd be nice if it closed like that anyway, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just a nice little level and to break through.
Yeah. Come back down, retest these levels, and you got 12 pips upwards there. Because the next target on gold is to come and retest these highs at 2038, which is all the way back here.
Moly.
Yeah, so it does have some big upside.
Oh. Yeah. It'd be lovely.
Oh, there you go, just broken it now. Nice. Alright, give us a retrace, take out this previous 5 minute low, and I'll look for longs on gold. Somewhere down here. Something like this. We'll look for a nice play up. I'll do it. But yeah, it needs to come and grab that previous 5 minute low here in order for me to want to long. Like this.
You go in full risk half margin.
Yeah, I think so. Half risk, full margin today, boys.
Alright, boys.
How's it going, man?
How those looking suave today?
I mean, like Wales actually had some new weather last night. Yesterday.
What's it? You have to dress up for it today.
No, it's
Celebration.
it's not sunny today. So I feel you're the Welsh guy that's emigrated.
Yeah.
Took the smarter option, left Wales.
Yeah,
Wales behind.
Yeah. Living the dream. I'm not leaving Thailand anyway. I'm staying.
That sounds a better option.
He's met a Thailand's quote unquote wife.
Yeah, it's quite cheap. She's $25. And a contract clause. No track back.
Oh, look at this gold now grabbing that previous 5-minute low. I'm not gonna take it just yet. I want to see some signs of rejection. I am.
Saturday night for you.
Lewis, are you gonna take that?
What do you say?
Thank you, Lewis. My friend.
Lewis, I was actually talking about you on the weekend. I was telling my girlfriend about how we used to say shit in class. Like, what do you mean you can't be asked for this?
I'm walking past girls in the supermarket on the street, like, oh, I didn't match her on Tinder. That was so funny.
It used to get me kicked out of class.
What do you mean you copied Jess's homework?
Are we going to close back bearish and go back below this level? Holy shit.
When are you doing your next Euro tour?
I was looking at going to Scotland in July for a festival, but it's like fucking $3.5 grand. I ain't paying $3.5 grand to go to Scotland. So I'd rather do a Euro trip.
What festival is it? Transnet?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
That's it.
It's good. I've been like for the past like 3 years. My mate always goes to it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I went to Glasgow last year. It's such a nice place.
Yeah, it's sick, man. It's really cool. I like it up there. I used to live in Newcastle for like 3 years.
You can enjoy them.
Yeah, I still talk to them. Yeah, not as much, but like at least once a week. You open position by market order or pending? Typically pending, but I'll say if I market execute. But I'm not too interested in lowering gold just yet. I don't like the way this 5 minutes just crept straight back down after grabbing these highs again, and I'm not liking the look of the 30. So I'm not jumping in just yet.
What do you guys think of the US dollar?
I think it's just I think it's just gonna get weaker and weaker, man. So I just really want to keep buying gold. Let's have a look at the US dollar.
Yeah, I realised putting a sell on the US dollar is pretty quite stupid.
For intraday trading, it's actually a really nice setup. It was just annoying that you had that fucking news.
Yeah. But I definitely think the dollar's start weakening quite a bit.
Yeah, overall, man, it is. Like that move yesterday was huge. But even today, for like a little intraday perspective, I would like to sell gold to come and, just retrace like some of this before then ripping up higher. So like
Lord, that's a hell of a move.
Yeah, it's huge. So I'll trade against it like overall, just for like little intraday plays back down. But yeah, overall, I think gold's going to continue to rip these weekly highs all the way up here. Daily broke above 2,000 yesterday, which is huge for gold. Absolutely massive.
Yeah, I was reading like a lot of people are trying to pull that money out of dollar and stuff. And gold and silver. So we're going to start tanking.
Yeah. Look at that.
I wonder how the US100 and S&P are going to go though.
Yeah, how they're looking. They're looking pretty strong at the minute.
Yeah, I got a new base currency as well.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, I say they're looking strong. They are just ranging, but
Yeah.
still trading below, like on the monthly, like this, like this.
Everyone's pulling up, isn't it? I think they're rebelling of the striking because they want their mate to come out to jail. The Trump, they don't want him to go to, he was friends with everyone.
Well, I think it's like fucking him going to jail right before the elections is a bit of like a bit of a coincidence. Like, I feel like if he ran again, he'd probably win an election.
Yeah, 100%.
Biden is just like, wow.
Biden's the one probably putting in prison. So
Yeah, he's a clown.
Yeah.
Can't
Do
even.
you really think Biden's smart enough to do that?
No, hell no. Can't even string a sentence together.
I've seen the video of him like going to shake on someone's hand and no one's even there.
Oh no, that's horrible. He does some horrible stuff. It's so cringy.
What about when he went to China and made a whole speech and kept calling him China?
That's so bad.
Yeah, don't call him China.
Yeah, he kept calling him China. It's like, hello China, how are you? Like, I'm glad to be here in China.
He's just fucking well too old to be a president.
Oh, then again, the UK can't say much. We had Boris.
Boris was legend. Shout out Boris.
Yeah, he used to 2 feet tackle heads. Do you remember that one?
Yeah. Playing rugby at the school.
Yeah, rugby school, and you drop the shoulder into this little Chinese kid.
Absolute legend.
Yeah, and he didn't go and see if the kid was alright. He scored the try. He scored the try, and then he went back. Okay, good buddy.
Fucking hell. Look at that 30-minute on gold. Fucking whack. EJ's still on the range.
GJ, on this 15-minute, there's no bottom wick. So, for me, that's going to come back down. And GJ. EJ and GJ. Same candle.
Yeah. GJ never grabbed the lows, but EJ just about did. EJ literally just wicked it out and pushed.
Does anyone see like an entry point for that massive gold move? Because I'm trying to look at it and see like where it's ended. Like, it was, is it?
Like, I mean, not really. Like, unless you were able to catch it like down here after it grabbed this little low.
Yeah.
But like to catch this move, not really. Literally, like wicked out these, throwing some wicks here. We grabbed these highs, started throwing the rejections, and then just grabbed the lows and then ripped. I mean, unless you were an absolute fucking madman and managed to catch like a buy stop above these highs, fucking hell, man, that would have been insane. Because it just grabbed it, like it technically wise, like it did before the news, wicked out the lows, grabbed this low. So if somehow you had a buy stop in there, oh my god, man, it would have been fucking instant 100 pips. Literally.
Before the news, like for the news to take out the previous low and then
yeah, literally. Even with such big news, you always get the liquidity grab still. You always still grab the lows. Just that news just gives it that extra volume. But the technicals are always in place beforehand as well. Like even prior to this, we were grabbing some lows in London, pushing up, grabbed some little lows again, and then just absolutely ripped. So the technicals are always there. The fundamentals just gives it that extra boost. Gives it that boost you need.
Unfortunately, it was just nothing for me to get under them personally.
No, and then after, if you didn't catch that, then I wouldn't trade it till the next day because then you get all of this. But if I had a nice strong push before the news, and then boom.
What time was that?
This one?
Yeah.
This is like 2 o'clock your time.
I was thinking birdies then.
And birdies costed you 300 pips. Look at that. Respect the level, pushing higher.
Oh well.
A wick out like that on EJ, you look for the market share to come back and then go long. No, if EJ was cleaner and we'd grab this a little bit more, I'd be looking to long down here. That's pretty much what we did all last month. I like the cleaner liquidity grabs. Like this move grabs the highs, you get the nice momentum, but it grabbed the highs more. This was our absolute textbook of the month. Wick the lows, 5-minute close really strong, then you get that continuation. Same here, grab the highs, nice strong closes, nice clear momentum. Whereas to me on EJ right now, this is just a bit messy. So you could have great longs from here, but then as soon as you come into this range, you just come into so many barriers of where the trade could start to go against you and just start ranging. So we did just wick out the high, but we wicked it out with a doji candle and then closed back above and then went doji again and then pushed higher. So if I was in from here after we retested there, flipped higher, I would be at break even because then we rejected the highs. So I wouldn't even want to be in this and then end up pushing higher. But we did grab the lows, break back above, wick down and then wick up. But it depends if we wicked out these highs or wicked out these lows first.
The double bottom on EJ.
Yeah, nice. I like that. I like that. Ooh, look at that gold pushing back up.
Jeez.
There's just no entry for me.
I've not even a pullback. Really,
No.
is it?
Nout.
I'm still thinking go back to 220, see, at least.
Yeah, so I'm not dying to jump into this move. Because even if you had like a buy order here and you took the break at this high, you get some nice profit and then you get straight back to break even.
Yeah.
Kind of creating this little third drive there.
Yeah. And 30 minutes about to close.
Oh yeah, nice. 2 more minutes. 30 minutes probably going to close nice and strong. So then if you can get a nice 30 close and a nice 30 bottom wick, then you could look at something. Yeah, nice. Now that's looking nice. So now if you just get a quick pull back and then push.
Not too quick, I'm trying to sort out my golf course.
What? Oh, sorry.
That's right, man. You go.
I was just gonna say, what did you say you saw on EJ? Longs? So I mapped this, I guess.
No, I personally don't see too much on EJ. Like for me, I don't really want to trade it anywhere in this range.
Yeah. Still those messing around on the support.
Yeah, we did grab these highs, and they've had quite a push lower. Now we'll potentially pull it back up. If I had to give a bias, it would be to go lower. But yeah, I wouldn't really trade it until we kind of break out a little bit more. I just deleted my levels by accident.
I had that analysis from yesterday, but
Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look.
yeah, I haven't really been analysed yet.
Let's see. Yeah, it looks nice. It does look nice. It's it's such a make or break level right now.
There's a lot of liquidity, like in the support as well, like
Yeah.
to be taken out.
How's this 30 gonna look on Goldie? Oh, there you go, nice strong close. Yeah, give us a bottom wick. Nah, I was gonna say give us a bottom wick before breaking the highs, but no, sir, I'm not interested in gold.
Damn girl.
This 5 minute will be interesting to see if it closes back below this level. We just could potentially create a 3-pin pattern here.
Ooh.
But if we keep breaking higher, she can go. See, like even if you were in longs on gold and you start seeing these rejections, like your psychology just getting absolutely fucked. That's also what's not worth it. Like just throwing these instant rejections. Did we reject this little 3-pin pattern? Do we close above? Yeah, kind of just closed above. Let me see how this one looks.
Oh, hello. This one,
Bread. Terry with the breads in the chat. You get them breads in the chat. YouTube fan, remember drop a little like for the stream. If you drop a like for the stream, gold will give us some volume. I'll be able to make that bank. It's the way the market moves. The more everyone likes the stream, the more gold moves. That's how it works.
It's no coincidence.
No, it's no coincidence. There's been many times we've been in trades, and the more people like, the more it moves.
That's how you make your fortune.
Yes, literally. George, have you got me any affiliate sales yet?
I'm working on it actually. Put an advertisement out in the hostel.
Good man. Good man.
Just waiting for signing out and everyone's drinking. But, oh yeah, just sounds quite light.
Send the waiver.
Just told me like my percentage cut yet to work with that.
10%.
Yeah. Send you a DM.
Yeah, I don't want you to like stay in front of Alex in case like you get him.
Yeah, Alex.
Okay, I didn't say no. You've gone on YouTube, man. You've got to record it.
Recorded written contracts.
Yeah.
GJ. Is GJ looking any nicer?
Nothing for me at the moment.
Not yet, man, not yet.
None of them are looking.
No, not yet. I'll give it a little bit more though. I don't want to call it just yet, because I know as soon as I call it, that's when gold starts getting volume. Gold is still. How's the hourly looking on Goldie? Oh, looking pretty juicy. Broke above. Respecting. Pushing. Good Goldie.
We bored in here.
Hey? You bored, Lewis?
We bored in here. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Alright. Just feel like I'm wasting my
You
time.
were a trip. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's the bomb. There's the bomb.
A slow week. Yeah, Ash, it's going to be one of them weeks, I think. Patience is going to pay this week for sure. Patience is going to pay. Look at that fake out.
Got an FP too as well.
Oh. Why did you just remind me of that? I don't think so.
Why do you
Wait.
think run was low rate?
Wait, do we?
Do we not?
I might have to call cap on that.
Oh
yeah. Yeah, we do. I thought it was bank holiday. Wait, is it not bank holiday?
Well, for
Yeah,
you
bank
guys, not
holiday.
America.
Oh. So everyone has bank holidays on Easter. Oh yeah, non-farm payroll. Holy shit, yeah.
So about you, but
Yeah, fucking hell.
We forgot about that. I was too focused on it being the first week of the quarter. I forgot to call that the first week of the month.
Yeah, I just thought it was because it was something. You got bank holiday all over Europe, in Australia, and New Zealand as well, and Canada. But now US like that, we're not doing it.
We have to work.
Yeah, we'll still throw a little bit of non-farm payroll in there. Yeah, I'm absolutely not trading Friday then.
Yeah.
Bank holidays all over Europe and then non-farm payroll in the US at 10:30 my time? Hell no.
Yeah.
NFP week means all-in week though. That's what they say.
Yeah, literally.
NF
Get your positions in
full margin, buy stops and sell stops just before the news.
and watch them all be wiped out in less than a second. The price will stay the same, but the spread will just go like that and take them out.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll be looking at trading, you'll be like, oh sweet, I missed that one. And you have like an email, your account has been lost.
Literally. You look at this shit on
No.
gold. Look at this absolute garbage on gold. This is the reason, like I say, that I'm not eager to jump into positions. You're just getting stopped to break even every 5 minutes. Even if you had buys on the break of this high here, you just ran up. As soon as you throw that wick, 15 pips, bam, you're straight back to break even.
15 pips.
And the brokers laugh at you because they make an absolute commission, absolute bank off your commissions. So that 30-minute lever wick, yeah. Take a look at Swiss franc yen. Have a little look. Why not? I imagine it's pretty similar. Yeah, fuck it, that's fucking gross, man. Whack. Nothing for me. I wouldn't trade that until you break above and retest to come and grab the highs, or break the support and grab the lows. But that's very, very messy. Very, very messy.
Messi.
Right, with the way the volume's looking, I think this is a day to go all in. Full margin, 10 pips and run.
Holy cow.
You taking anything today on NASDAQ?
Just to break even.
Nice.
It dropped down to like 20 points, but break even.
Take those 20. Take them. Give me 20 points.
No, I didn't hit any targets. It just reversed.
All right.
Let it go.
You emotional or what?
Let it go.
No, it's not legal to have small fish in the boat, so catch and release.
I would rather have goldfish than no fish.
You heard it here first. Motivational quote of the day.
Remember, it was like, you get those fish in the fair. And then you
Plastic that.
You're trying to feed a village, not a dog.
Oh no, the village can stand to itself. The dog-eat-dog world out there.
You're damn right it is.
In this economy.
You're damn right it is. USD Swiss franc. Let's have a look. I like trading this pair. We were analysing this yesterday in the community. Had some volume. Let's see. Now the daily close pretty bearish. Yeah, strong. Breaking huge support. How's the weekly? Oh, grabbing some serious lows on USD Swiss franc. Hourly's grabbing support, but I mean, until this candle has closed, we are still within this range. But you could probably get some retraces back up to these levels, so I personally wouldn't be short on it just yet. And I wouldn't be long on it. I wouldn't long till we break above this level, and I wouldn't short until we come up into here and maybe grab this little wick here. Look at that wick on gold. Oh man. I'm gonna give it to the hourly. I'm not gonna call it just yet. That patience is gonna pay this week, but I would like to make some pips, even if it's 10 pips. I would like 10 pips. Kane, I know it's painful, man. It's painful. Since we've gotten the charts, we've done doji.
But it is green jacket week, you know, so we can all get excited for that.
Absolutely.
It is the Masters.
Yeah.
So tomorrow onwards. Come on, guys, get involved. Who's going to win it?
Oh, look at that going. My golf course is booming.
Is it? How many holes you got now?
8. I'm close to buying my 9th, but my shop is booming. The car park's doing great.
Yeah.
My driving range is good.
That's good. Oh, you got the driving range?
Oh yeah, got the putting range as well, all leveled up to the max.
Hey, have you upgraded to like a contactless payment, so you're saving on staff.
Oh, absolutely. My staff are maxed out as well.
There you go.
What's this called, eh?
little golf game. Alan's got me on Golf Club Tycoon, and now I'm addicted.
Yeah, golf.
Golf Club
Where are you
Tycoon.
selling the PS5?
I got round tickets. I got my telephone's level 4. My computers are maxed out. I got 2 receptionists. I mean, how do I turn my blur off? You can see my golf course is absolutely booming. Business is booming.
It's an idle golf club. Golf tycoon.
Yeah, this one. Look at that. I'm making
What's it called?
making absolute. Look at that money coming in. Financial freedom. Look at that.
I'm making 127 trillion.
I got watch a video and get a bus full of golfers. Absolutely, I'll watch an ad for that. Get the ads in. I'll just sit here. Golf Club Tycoon.
Everyone will get on it.
Yeah, fucking quality game.
The Zoom call just turns into golf.
Yes.
How to level up on Golf Club Tycoon. Golf Club Tycoon signals coming.
I got 3 golf courses now.
You got 3?
Yeah, I got 3.
Alex secretly played before I was telling you all what this was, so that's not fair.
Link us your Twitch.
Start another tournament. Yes, please.
Yeah, that is good.
Golfers will instantly check in for 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll watch an ad for that.
You've got your phone open all day.
Just sat here watching ads. Fucking hell, gold. Please, just give us some volume. We don't have any news today, do we? I don't think so.
Important. No, it's nothing important.
Where is it today?
There's 1.5.
Yeah. ADP, non-farm payroll exchange. Yeah, nah, nothing for it to be this fucking quiet. Holy shit. Bro, can you check GJ? Nothing. Absolutely nout. Last 30-minute close bullish. The 30 minutes coming down. I won't trade GJ anywhere in this range. It's just ranging. Oh, look at that. What other bonuses can we get on here? Receive a cash bonus from a wealthy investor. I'll do that. I'm going to give it to the hourly and see if we get some volume. If we get no volume though, I'm probably going to call it till US. I don't want to trade in this shit range, but I still wanted to kind of catch a nice little position today. Look at that 5 minute on gold. Wicking back up.
Yeah, it's pretty shit, isn't it?
It is. It's just like when the price action is like this, it's honestly like you just have to close the fucking laptop.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you sit here and
yesterday.
yeah. But I will be trading US today. I'm going to be trading US all week, apart from Friday.
Oh.
Yeah, I need to get them pepperonis. We
Look
need
at
them.
EJ, look at those rejections. Exactly the same as gold. They're going at 5
Yeah,
minutes.
it's fucking horrible.
15, sorry. It's just like boom. But
I mean-
I like the way that that's got no wick to the bottom.
Like I would be interested in shorting EJ down into these lows and down to these lows here, but I won't take it till we break the support. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Look at them 15-minute wicks. Absolutely
But if
ridiculous.
this one
Creates a 3 pin and
breaks
respects
up
the
like
next.
that again.
Yeah. As long
If this one goes up to like, roughly around here.
as you don't break
I
that.
might. Yeah, I'm just going down.
Yeah. As long as we respect this one, EJ could have a push lower.
No, come on, no. I'm sure EJ didn't hear what we just said. EJ, no.
What about GJ? I just checked GJ. It's doing fuck all. I just shared GJ. Nothing. It's GJ is just absolutely ranging.
It's at the level there. So GJ, until that breaks that level that you've got there.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nah, nothing. I'm trading in this fucking range.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, what the fuck did you just do?
Oh. I hit my pint glass against my tooth.
Okay, what? Sorry.
You're tough.
I'm fucking bleeding.
Oh shit.
Well, what you call it? Oh, don't say teeth.
What,
But it's tooth, isn't it?
Tough. That's how you spell it, isn't it?
George, help me out, you know. What do you say, George?
I say two because I'm not actually Welsh. I lived there.
Is that a Welshing to say tough?
I did used to get that though. Like I used to say two and then they'd be like two.
That's ridiculous.
I would ask this guy, but he can't fucking talk, so.
Alright, I'm gonna give it another 15. I'm gonna give it till this hourly, and if we don't get any fucking volume, I'm gonna wait till US. But this is the last 15 of the hourly, so if this 15 gives us volume, we could be onto a nice range. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep watching ads on my golf game. Which I'm gonna go to the driving range. Hey, what's your
get those stars.
What's your longest hit in the driving range?
Oh,
Mine's 3-2-3.
3-2-3.
I think it makes it up though because I've hit perfect before and it just randomly goes nowhere near it.
No, I bounced off the trampoline.
Oh, I've never got a trampoline
Mine
yet.
is 3-5-4.
Damn. I've not got a trampoline yet.
I was teaching it, and it's like my real game, really. Oh, you betcha, one of those buggy thingies.
Good morning from St. Jersey. Hey, Richard, good to have you on the stream, man. Good to have you tuning in. Hope you're doing well. How's Jersey life?
Luke is definitely playing the golf game. He's just
Yep. Just wondering if I'm playing the right one because there's a couple of similar ones, hey?
Which,
there's another one. It's called Idle Golf.
No.
This one is.
I'll send you a screenshot.
Is it with the little guy putting? Is that the app logo?
Yes, I think so.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in the right one then.
Nice.
Yeah, that's one, yeah. The yellow flag.
Good to be back on the charts. Yeah, good stuff, Richard.
Yeah.
Break is always good, man. It's always good to take a break. March has been great. April's going to look to be good. So it's good time to pick back up.
I'm going to shoot guys. I'll catch you later.
Easy, man. Talk to you soon.
So enjoy.
Bye, mate. Do you stream both sessions? Antonio, no, only London session. When I trade US session, I'm just trading downstairs. So I'm still active in Discord and sharing any positions that I do take. But no, I just stream London. My favorite is to just trade London, but then obviously when London is like this with no volume, then I prefer to come back and see what US is saying. But if I make good money in London, then I don't care about US. But when London's a little bit quiet, I'm happy just to, when I'm chilling in an evening, watch US for like 2 to 3 hours.
Is it just because the time zone is the best for you for London?
Yeah, pretty much. But I mean, even when I was back in like Europe time zone, I just love trading London. I've just loved to like get your little intraday moves and be done. And US has a lot more volume, but sometimes that's not favorable Sometimes it can
A
be
lot of
too
news
much
there,
volume.
eh? Compared to London, I would say.
Yeah, more news, more fuckery.
I think London just is cleaner.
I agree, man. Smaller moves, but cleaner moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Easier
felt
to read.
what I was doing with the previous one in Asia would always be quite steady,
Yeah,
and then London Open it wouldn't really look at what Asia was doing at all. It was like wasn't relating,
yeah,
and I felt like US would follow up with what London was doing, so the strategy would have worked better in US
yeah,
because London Open or like Frankfurt Open, and everything would just go to shit.
yeah.
Like it'd be a nice trend upwards or downwards, and it would just start ranging from Frankfurt Open or whatever.
The good thing about like this intraday style is like you can pretty much trade it in any session as long as there's like volume to at least catch like 20-40 pips. It's honestly all you need. When there's good volume in Asia, like you could just trade Asia and not even need to worry about London, and vice versa with London and US. Like in March, the first like 2 to 3 weeks, Asia had amazing volume, and then the past 2 weeks it's been a little bit quieter. So you kind of always get the market cycles as well. But I mean, even like if you just traded just Asia or just London, you can make amazing profit just trading just that.
And with volume, you kind of mean that it's just moving one way, eh? That's what you mean with volume.
Yeah, nice moves on like the 5 minute. Like whenever I see the 5 minute closing bullish, bearish, that's when you get chopped up the most. Just good volume, like just like solid candles, like candles with a good amount of volume, and continuing.
It like moves a lot. Like
Yeah.
I've seen it moving a lot lately, also in Asia. But like it could be that, like as in pip wise, like for example, EJ has moved 63 pips in Asia, but it could do like 20. So I reckon there's a lot of volume in Asia, but then it could just be ranging. But you mean like if it moves a certain way, that means volume?
Yeah, like as long as it's not like ranging. Like for me, this is like low volume. You could probably catch some little intraday moves within this, but like if I see the 15 minute doing this, like overall there's low volume. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely scalp little moves within this, but yeah, overall it's a lack of volume. Like I want moves like this. I don't want to get and like this and like this. I don't really want to get
I see.
caught up in this.
There's actually a move in on EJ.
Did it do what we said? Oh, it did. Look at that.
There was actually a move on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
It's just
Like this is volume, pretty much.
Yeah, now if you get some nice closures, now you can get some nice volume.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that it's nice. Grab that high. Boom.
I grab these ones, I think.
How many pip rings? I probably would have tried to short this one. So what would you be? 15, 18 pips? Yeah, not bad.
But if it closes below that level, that line you've got,
Yeah.
I'm even more interested.
Yeah, I know you got. Yeah, I'd wait. Now that we're this close to the hourly, I would wait for the hourly. Hourly's looking pretty nice on EJ.
Yeah.
If it breaks the support, you could be good for a push down, maybe down into here. Oh,
Even if it's to take out
the fuck.
those, like, the noise on the left, and come down to like 143, 680.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's where you were. Okay.
So what you do? You want a nice close here, and then a nice top wick, to then boom.
And I'll short down to that.
Yeah.
Plan.
Boys, I'm off. This is painful.
Yeah, don't blame me, man.
Whoa.
Take it easy, man.
You might be missing.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's take some
We
trades.
catch this EJ, just to make sure we all catch it, and we all tag Kane in it.
Just start posting in the market chat. Get those W's in the market chat.
Fuck's sake, don't do this now. Just put it like, why don't you just give a little bit more?
Even if we close like this, I still think we then come back up, grab this little 5 minute high here, maybe retest this, and then boom.
Be nice. Don't want to close any of that though.
Nah, hell no. That's why I'm waiting for this hourly.
What a batty boy.
Because if this 5 minute closes, if this 5 minute doesn't close bearish, then the hourly's going to be leaving that wick. So we need this. You want this 5 minutes close strong to then get that hourly top wick retracement of these levels to then get the rollover. So this 5 minute needs to close bearish.
Yeah.
YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Let's hit 50 likes and gold will give us some volume to take some pepperoonies out of the markets today. We want them pepperoonies. How do you find the times in New Zealand, Luke?
The times as in the timing of London and stuff, or?
Yeah, like do you find it's quite like late for you, or like do you like trading in the evening?
This is quite nice, I would say.
Yeah.
Usually, like in the past, I would start, Frankfurt open. Then in the summer, that is 8 p.m. So 9 p.m. is London open.
Yeah.
And then I would go until like maximum 12 o'clock, and then I would never have trades running as well.
Yeah.
Which I don't mind that at all. Actually, I think it's great, but
Nice.
kind of needed that US, like the way US moved and all the news and stuff. That was kind of how that's what I was looking for a bit more. So
Yeah.
I tried that for a while as well, just staying up for those. But then it's like 2 o'clock, 2:30.
Oh
until
yeah,
like
fuck that.
5, 6, which is pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
Can't really do that, So.
Nah.
And now today, so now the winter times kind of starts, and it's 6 p.m.
Nice. That's good.
Actually, I prefer it over. Sorry to say, but over the Australia times. Like 4 p.m. is such an awkward time, I think.
I agree. Yeah, it is a weird time. Five was nice, but now 4 it's a bit like you don't really get like a break between like Asia and London. It's like just straight into one or the other.
Kind of middle of the day.
Yeah. Whereas even with you trading Asia, you still get like a little kind of morning to kind of do your thing and then trade a little bit of Asia if you want.
Yeah, and Asia here right now starts. Yeah, that's like 12, like midday.
Yeah. It's good.
But which is not bad really.
Yeah, it's good. I remember when I was in New Zealand last year, sometimes I was staying up to either like 3 or 4 a.m. or I was going to bed early and getting up at like 4 a.m.
Yeah.
But I wasn't trading like this, and I would just get like extreme FOMO of missing US session. But now that the way that I've seen the markets in Asia and London, I'm like, I don't actually care about US that much. Like,
oh, that's good.
You'll always get like fear of missing out during the Asian session, but as long as you can prove to yourself that you can make money in Asia and London, who cares about US? There's going to be moves in the market every single session of every day, but it's all about the ones that fit your lifestyle and still work within them times.
Yeah, and I like to work around them a little bit with surf as well.
Nice.
When I surf, it's like the sun sets, usually like the wind dies off a little bit, and that's what you want.
Yeah.
But then in the summer, it could be like light until like 9:30, 10. So that kind of sucks because like that's the best times to go really.
Oh shit, yeah. Unless you make bank in Asia.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But like if you literally catch like 20-30 pips in Asia, it's like you can literally you can be done by then, not even need to give a shit about London or US. That's even better.
Yeah. Hourly broke, right?
If gold wasn't so messy, I'd want to go
fuck
short.
gold, man. Fuck gold. Oh, look at that fucking 5 minute on EJ. If we respect this low, EJ could flip back up. Look at the way that 5 minute body closed back above that previous low. Literally not a pip below, right back above the body. So if we respect this low, EJ may have a little drive higher.
Gold can pull back up to roughly around 2026. I'm going to place an order at the break. It's just so messy on the left.
It's fucking gross. Look at the hourly. It's fucking whack. I'm not trading gold till it breaks below here. If we break back in this range, I'm not touching it. Alright, let me just post it in chat. Alright, give me a sec. Sweet. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up here. We've been on stream for 2 hours. The markets are just very, very quiet today. But it's all part of the fun, you know. Can't catch pips every single stream. We had great trades last Friday, last Wednesday. But today the markets are just ranging. And gold's had a massive move yesterday. And I'm not looking to go too crazy today. We've ranged in London. I'm not going to sit here and watch it for like 4 hours and be burnt out for US. I'm going to close the charts now. Come back for the US session fresh, ready to go. And yeah, close the laptop now. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's stream. Unfortunately, we didn't catch any positions, but it's just part of the game. But I'm going to close the laptop now, see what US is saying. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy the stream. If you did, remember, drop a little like, subscribe. You can go check out all my other travel trading videos as well. But in the meantime, have a good session. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.